Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add multiple photos to Instagram story. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application on your phone. Now go ahead and click on the plus button. Then make sure you select story. Click on the gallery button at the bottom left. Then click on recent and then select where the information you want to upload to Instagram story is located. So in this case, if it's on recent, just go ahead to the recent, click on this option at the top right just beneath AI image. Then go ahead and select all the multiple story you want to upload to your Instagram story. Now once you have all of them selected like this, now go ahead and click on this button. Then click on send, and this is going to send the story to your Instagram story, and then you're good. So that is exactly how to share multiple photos on Instagram story at once. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.